Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Yasir Amini from Afghanistan, and I am here to tell you that I passed my F3 exam with 86% of marks after preparing for 2.5 months with Vertex Learning Solutions. I had a great experience with them. The pre-recorded videos of Mr. Said Muhammad Ali was great, and he used his work experience and great knowledge to explain every topic in a very easily understandable and clear way. Plus, they have a weekly live session and a WhatsApp group to support you during your studies and in case you face any challenges. Also, one of the things that I really liked about VLS was their customized study plan, by which you can choose a time period, for example, 2 months, 3 months, or 1.5 months. And all the topics are being customized for you, and you're gonna receive a customized study plan by which you can stay organized. And also the prices were affordable, and I recommend VLS Vertex Learning Solutions for any student who want to pass your ACCA exams this year. Thank you.